should attack them. I should kill them.
No, Tread, for it is not well.
Huh?
Yes, it is me, your master.
Poodle Hopper!
Yes, it is me, I'm back. Just kidding, I'm still in the force.
Aw.
Yes, I came back to you in the force.
How?
I'm awesome.
Can you teach me?
No, I'm dead.
Guide me with your voice.
La 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 la. I'm inside your mind, stupid. Ow. God, that hurt. Don't rattle everything in here, it's scary.
Poodle Hopper?
What?
You're gonna die.
No, please don't.
I'm gonna kill you.
Alright, here's the thing. Do not attack them. They will murder you extremely.
How?
They are better. You are the last Super Monkey Ninja Wolf I know, but you have only had, like, 2 days of training.
Yeah, and I almost killed Catman.
Yeah, you almost. And you both decided to run away in opposite directions. I was watching the whole thing.
You were?
Yes,
I thought you were dead.
I was.
That makes no sense.
You know it.
I'm just listening to Poodle Hopper.
Alright, Fred. Do not die.
Okay? So that advice trying to say that I'm supposed to kill him, or
It's just saying, don't go near them. Stay away. Hide like a little girl you are.
I don't do that crap.
Okay, then face him and die.
That sounds like the way I would do it.
Okay, do it. I want to see it. I'm in here.
Okay then.
Don't do it, Fred. He's right there.